Teachers, imagine this: grading papers, writing quizzes, and giving personalized feedback. All done in minutes. In today's video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that make assessments smarter, faster, and way less stressful. Number 3 is a total game changer for instant grading. Welcome to Teach Smarter AI, the channel where educators learn to save time and teach smarter with AI. If you're ready to make assessments faster and feedback more meaningful, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. First on our list, Conker.ai. This free tool helps teachers generate quizzes and assessments instantly. You just type your topic, choose grade level, and boom, it creates multiple choice, true/false, or short answer questions for you. You can export quizzes straight to Google Forms or print them for class. It's perfect for quick checks and exit tickets. Next, we have Quizizz AI. Quizizz has been around for a while, but its new AI feature takes it up a level. Simply upload a document or type a topic, and the AI creates auto-graded quizzes aligned to your content. Students love it because it's interactive, teachers love it because it grades itself. Number 3, Formative AI. This one's perfect for teachers who want more insight into student thinking. Formative doesn't just mark answers, it lets students show their work, and the AI highlights common misconceptions automatically. It's ideal for math, science, and open response assessments. Tool number 4, Gradescope. This tool is a teacher's dream if you're grading written or scanned work. Just upload student papers and the AI sorts, categorizes, and even recognizes similar mistakes. It's especially powerful for math and short answer questions, saving hours of grading time. And last but not least, Quizalize. This one combines AI assessment with gamification. It automatically adjusts question difficulty based on each student's performance, making assessments feel like a game while still giving teachers powerful data. Perfect for engaging younger students. So, let's recap. Conker.ai for fast quiz generation. Quizizz AI for fun, auto-graded assessments. Formative AI for insight into student thinking. Gradescope for smart grading automation. Quizalize for adaptive learning made fun. These tools are free, simple, and ready to save you hours every week. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with another teacher who could use a break from grading overload. This is Teach Smarter AI, helping you use technology to save time, personalize learning, and teach smarter.